Bonjour, bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue, welcome to French with Anana. Et voici Anana qui dit bonjour. So we're learning about colors today, les couleurs. And our special color is yellow, just like Anana. So how do you say yellow in French? Well, here it is. This is the spelling of yellow. And it is pronounced jaune. Can you repeat that? Jaune. Now, jaune is written the same way when you describe a feminine subject or a masculine one. I will show you. Voilà un exemple. So our example is la fleur est jaune. So the spelling does not change. It's still Jaune. So a flower is feminine. We're going to use la. La fleur est jaune. The spelling does not change. Oui, ça va? Oui, ça va. OK. Maintenant, si notre sujet est masculin, alors that little word le tells us it's a masculine subject. So, le pot est jaune. Same spelling. Jaune. It does not change. So, whether it's masculine or feminine, the spelling of jaune will not change. Le pot est jaune. Au revoir les amis. À la prochaine.